Hi, friends. Hello, sunshine. Sunshine. I really miss you guys. I know it's been a while, but now I am back. And today we are going to learn about fruits. Yummy, yummy fruits. Tell me, what's your favorite fruit? Ooh, okay, come on. So, the first fruit we have is apples. Apple. Apple. Then we have banana. Banana. Bananas are really yummy. They are full with potassium. Good for your brain. Next, we have orange. Orange. Orange is really good. They're so juicy and it's so full of so much vitamin C. So when you're feeling sick, grab an orange. Next, we have grape. Grape. I love grapes. They're very juicy and they also come in so many different colors like green and purple. Ooh, peach. Peach. Ooh, peaches are also very yummy and very juicy. Ooh, this is my favorite one. Watermelon. It's so hydrating. Do you like watermelon too? Ooh, high five. Mango. Mango. Do you know that you could actually grow mangoes in your backyard? Yeah, mangoes grow on trees and then you could pick them. Yeah, I love mangoes too. Strawberries. Strawberry. Strawberries are really pretty. They are so pretty. Do you know what color strawberries are? That's right. You got that right. Yes, strawberries are red. Strawberries are red. Sometimes strawberries can be really sweet, and sometimes they could be a little bit sour. And then the last fruit is pineapple. Pineapple. I think pineapples are pretty too. They're very, very sweet. And do you know what color they can be? Yeah, they could be yellow. And also, did you know that they can have pink pineapples too? Yeah, isn't that cool? Yeah, those are the names of the fruits. Can you tell me what's your favorite fruit again after all the names that we named? Wait, hold on. I think there's one more fruit that I'm missing. Hmm. Can you guess the name of it? Do you know what fruit I'm missing? Yeah, that's right. Cherry. Cherry. Cherries are really good. And you can also grow them in your backyard. Honestly, you could grow any fruit in your backyard. Any fruit, as long as it has a seed. Thank you, friends, so much for watching. I hope you enjoy learning the names of the fruits. Bye bye. Bye bye.